Today, we're going to build the Phantom using 11 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Grab our 1x4 plate and a 2x3 plate, and we're going to do this so that the back two studs of our 1x4 plate go on top of the middle two studs of our 2x3 plate like that. And then that's kind of the skeleton of our Phantom. And underneath, we're going to grab a 1x1 plate with clip on side and just put it so that it's flush against that 2x3 plate and along the 1x4 plate like this, and that's going to create the large guns that the Phantom has underneath. And now back to the top, to create the cockpit, we're going to get one of these 1x1 cheese wedge slopes and just have it sloping forward towards the front of our spaceship. And then I've got a 1x1 plate here, and mine's yellow. You're supposed to use a light orange color, but I think they're similar enough in color, and it's what I have that I'm just going to use yellow, but you want a light orange. And again, the colors, the descriptions, all that is in the description below. Now on top of that plate, that 1x1 plate, we're going to get a 1x1 translucent black tile piece and just put it right there on top to complete our cockpit of the Phantom. And now to create the body. To create the body, we'll get that little bit, the two bricks there of our 1x4 plate exposed. We're going to get a 1x2 plate, dark bluish gray, and just put it right there. And we're still going to build up, so we still got a little bit of space here. So now we're going to get a 1x2 jumper plate and put it on top of those dark blue plates like that. And now once it's there, to raise it up even more, we're just going to get a single 1x1 plate, put it on top. There we go. And now we've got the body of our Phantom. Now to create the wings, those sleek wings, we're going to get these 1x2 slope pieces and put it so that the fat end is near the base and they slope down to create the wing. And we do that to both sides. And here we have a Phantom from Star Wars Rebels.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.